Ultimate Travel Companion, Water-Resistant Toiletry Bag with Hanging Hook and Super Capacity. Experience travel like never before with the Bohemia-L Toiletry Bag, your ultimate companion for organizing essentials on the go. This spacious bag boasts 4 separate compartments, thoughtfully designed to accommodate full-sized containers, toiletries, and cosmetics with ease. Whether you're on a business trip, at the gym, or enjoying the great outdoors, this bag ensures you have everything you need, neatly stored and easily accessible. Crafted from high-grade, lightweight materials, this toiletry bag is both durable and comfortable to carry. The water-resistant design protects your belongings from unexpected spills and splashes, making it ideal for all travel conditions. Plus, the bag's soft texture and foldable design allow for effortless packing and storage, fitting seamlessly into any suitcase or backpack without taking up valuable space. The innovative 360-degree swivel non-slip metal hook adds a level of convenience you didn't know you needed. Hang it securely on any surface for quick access to your essentials, keeping everything within reach without cluttering up counters. The sturdy hook is designed to handle even the heaviest items, ensuring your toiletries stay organized and in place, no matter where your adventures take you. Quality is at the heart of the Bohemia-L Toiletry Bag. It's built to withstand the rigors of travel, with reinforced seams and durable zippers that ensure longevity. The clear pockets allow for easy visibility of your items, so you can find what you need at a glance. Customers rave about the practicality and style of this bag, with many appreciating how effortlessly it combines function with fashion. Invest in the Bohemia-L Toiletry Bag and simplify your travel routine. This bag is not just a purchase, it's a smart choice for anyone seeking organization, durability, and style in their travel gear. Say goodbye to messy suitcases and hello to hassle-free packing with a toiletry bag that truly delivers on its promises, making every trip a breeze.